Hi, this is Julian from luminatic.com, and today's the start of my motorcycle photo studio project, so welcome. I'm standing here in the garage of the house we bought, and it's a big garage because the people who owned the house before, they had a mobile home. They extended the garage to fit this big vehicle, and which is a blessing for me as a photographer because the garage is about 9 meters long and about 4 meters high. And there's enough space to build a motorcycle studio and still fit our car inside the space here. So this is the first day. I started cleaning out some stuff. I moved some racks from here to the shed and to the basement to have more room to move around. And as you see behind me, there's a mock-up or a temporary construction to see how much space I will have as a background and if the space between the wall and the background will still be enough to park our bicycles and move some other stuff around. So I'll give you a quick tour of what I'm planning to do. So let's see. So this is the place where the motorbike will stand, obviously. And here from this beam to this wall, this will be a drywall construction, will be painted white, will be there's a wooden base frame, and then I'll put plasterboard onto it, and everything will be made very smoothly so that there's really a very nice light gradient when taking photos, so there are no edges where shadows can occur. Here in the bottom there will be a curve. I will make a curve which goes like this and then fades seamlessly into the floor, which is also very important in order to have an endless background, not to have visible corners. As you can see here, this is where we park the family bicycles, and this is the space I still need to go through and move some stuff through. So that was the purpose of today's first project day, to check the dimensions and see if I can still work with it as a photographer. Lighting will be achieved by hanging a big softbox from the ceiling. It will hang from this beam here, and it's then directly above the bike. The distance from the bike to the background, it's okay. And it will be a 3 by 1.5 meter softbox. We'll do a DIY project from aluminum frame construction. I found a company that makes aluminum parts, and then you can just click them together. It's a little bit like Legos, something like that. And there will also be a covering of the softbox, which will be tailor-made by somebody who, what are the people called who make the saddles, and they will make the cover for the softbox. So that's about it for today. I will try to do regular YouTube updates on the project and show pictures, show how this was made. I will do time-lapse videos of the construction process, and stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Bye.